quick reading for February the 17th to February the 18th, Aquarius. Your cards are the Fool card, the Queen of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So nakikita natin dito yung mga bagay na pwedeng makapagpabago sa relasyon na ito. Ito ay kailangan merong magsalita, no? I feel like meron ka ditong hihingin, hihilingin. It can be request, wag naman demand, no? It's more of request. Kasi natatakot ka siguro, no? Or probably si person din ito natatakot sabihin kung ano yung gusto niya or kung anong gustong mangyari. Natatakot magsabi ng totoo, natatakot sabihin kung anong nararamdaman. Pero you know what? I think that someone here needs to remove the fear kasi yung salita na dapat, yung words na dapat marinig ng isang tao, I feel like hindi ka i-reject eh. Meron ditong wish granted, no? Pero kailangan sabihin. Hindi ito ibibigay ng, basta ilalapag lang sa'yo without even asking for it. Someone here needs to say something. This is your quick reading, Aquarius, for February the 17th to February the 18th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.